Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on Elite Academy, and today again we are going to have our current affairs DIA prelims, and yesterday we have restarted our DIA mains. Thank you for liking it. We are getting a lot of messages that how the topic has been explained and you have received it well. And जिन लोगों ने भी इस वीडियो को देखा है, you can get the mind map of that video on our Telegram channel, which we will post today. Okay, so stay tuned on our Telegram channel as well. You will find the link of our Telegram channel in the description box. Now coming to today's topic, and let me ask this: have you seen the DIA prelims previous video? जो ये वीडियो है पहले हम लोगों ने रिलीज किया है, वो आपने देखा है नहीं देखा है? नहीं देखा है तो जाके अभी देखिए. एंड टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट निफा वायरस, मैस्चोपायरो एंड गैलेंट्री अवार्ड्स. क्या है, एक एक करके क्वेश्चन आंसर फॉर्मेट में जो हमारे स्टाइल है उसके थ्रू देखते जाते हैं क्विकली. सो टॉकिंग अबाउट निफा वायरस, दिस इज द क्वेश्चन. कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट अबाउट निफा वायरस. ह्यूमन टू ह्यूमन ट्रांसमिशन इज पॉसिबल. It leads to swelling in the brain. Is it a priority disease as per WHO? How many of the above statements is or are correct? Only one, only two, all three or none? इसके लिए सबसे पहले ये पता होना जरूरी है कि निफा वायरस है क्या और कैसे ट्रांसमिशन होता है. ये सारी इंफॉर्मेशन आपके पास रहेगी तो आपको पता होगा. दिस वॉज इन न्यूज बिकॉज ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर आर्टिकल. टीन हु डाइड ऑफ निफा इन केरला had local fruit from neighborhood where fruit bats thrive. यहां से आपको कुछ तो इंफॉर्मेशन मिल जा रही है, बट अभी हमें ये देखना है कि जो स्टेटमेंट क्वेश्चंस में दिए हुए थे वो सही हैं या नहीं है. सो फॉर दिस व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, yesterday itself we have posted a video on our Instagram. We have posted a reel, very small reel, I think 40-45 seconds reel. You go and there you will find the information related to the question which we have discussed. The link of this reel is also given in the description box. और ये reel कुछ यूं है. Recently, teen in Kerala has died in the hospital because of the Nipah virus. So you go and have a look. आपको सारी इंफॉर्मेशन पता चल जाएगी. That's why I am not discussing it here. Okay? Now let's take the second question. The second question is related to Mashopairo. Recently in news, are a tribe indigenous to which of the following regions? So this is about the indigenous tribe. Mashopairo is the name of a tribe. It is an indigenous tribe. वो कहाँ की tribe है ये आपको बताना है. The Andes Mountains, the Peruvian Amazon, the Atacama Desert or Pampas of Argentina. So if you know the answer, it was also in news. And why it was in news, let me show this to you. It was in news because of this particular article. Why recent sighting of Peru's uncontacted Mashopairo people is concerning. तो ये एक फोटो रिलीज हुई है एंड दे आर पॉसिबली द लार्जेस्ट अनकॉन्टैक्टेड ट्राइब इन द वर्ल्ड. इसके बारे में कुछ इंफॉर्मेशन देख लेते हैं, समझ लेते हैं. सो दिस ट्राइब इज बिलीव्ड टू बी द लार्जेस्ट अनकॉन्टैक्टेड ट्राइब ऑन द अर्थ, numbering more than 750 people, and they are nomadic hunter and gatherers. They live in Amazon jungle close to Peru's border with Brazil and Bolivia. They live on the banks of Las Piedras River in the Alto Purus National Park in the huts constructed of the palm leaf. They speak Pairo language, and the members of this tribe, they wear very little clothing. In fact, Peru's government has forbidden all the contact with the Mashopairo tribe, fearing the spread of disease among the population to which it has no immunity. And the NGO Survival International has released the rare pictures of this tribe, which is one of the world's 100-odd uncontacted tribe. This photograph was taken last year in June, and it shows that 50 tribal people are there on the bank of a river which is close to a site where logging companies have been granted concession. So this was a concern कि जहाँ पे आप एक logging company को जहाँ पे interaction हो रहा है, commercial interaction हो रहा है, and nearby that if a tribe is living, the chances are high that they will be infected or they will come into the contact of the outside world. तो क्या होंगे प्रॉब्लम्स. इनफैक्ट इफ यू आर हैविंग एंथ्रोपोलॉजी ऑप्शनल देन दिस कैन बी यूज्ड एज एन एग्जांपल. अप्रोप्रिएट जगह पे आप इसको एज एग्जांपल भी यूज कर सकते हैं. राइट, सो दिस इज अबाउट आवर सेकंड टॉपिक. टॉकिंग अबाउट आवर थर्ड क्वेश्चन, द थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज रिलेटेड टू गैलेंट्री अवार्ड्स. स्टेटमेंट्स देख लेते हैं. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स इज इनकरेक्ट. कभी भी क्वेश्चन में आपको ये ध्यान रखना है कि कीवर्ड क्या है, करेक्ट है, इनकरेक्ट है, क्या पूछा क्या है. अबाउट गैलेंट्री अवार्ड्स, शौर्य चक्र इज पीस टाइम गैलेंट्री अवार्ड, वीर चक्र इज वॉर टाइम गैलेंट्री अवार्ड. इसके लिए आपको ये पता होना जरूरी है दैट वी हैव टू टाइप्स ऑफ गैलेंट्री अवार्ड. एक पीस टाइम गैलेंट्री अवार्ड है, एक वॉर टाइम गैलेंट्री अवार्ड है. विच ऑफ द अबव स्टेटमेंट्स इज और आर करेक्ट. ओनली वन, ओनली टू, बोथ, वन और टू, नीदर वन और टू. बट व्हाई आर वी डिस्कसिंग इट? We are discussing it because of this particular news article which was there. JNK terrorist attack security post near Shaurya Chakra awardee's home in Rajouri, soldier injured. In fact, if you have seen our DIA mains video yesterday which has been posted on YouTube, there we have discussed, we have covered the terrorist attack in Jammu as a mains issue, and that is very very important. आपको बहुत सारा content मिलेगा. Go have a look at this video. इस वीडियो से you will not only get contact but you will also get lot of perspective about answer writing, the skills about answer writing, how to generate dimensions. This video is very very important, and all the serious aspirants, I am very sure that you would be able to correlate with the quality of the content, right? So do let us know in the comment section about your views on our Diya prelims and Diya mains as well. Now talking about this particular क्वेश्चन which we saw related to gallantry award, कुछ information है, देख लेते हैं. So gallantry awards have been instituted by the government of India to honor the acts of bravery and sacrifice of the officers and personnel in the armed forces or other lawful constituted forces and civilians. In fact, post independence, the first three gallantry awards, namely the Paramveer Chakra, Mahavir Chakra and Veer Chakra, were instituted in the year 1950, 26th January. And after that, three other gallantry awards, that is Ashok Chakra Class 1, Ashok Chakra Class 2, Ashok Chakra Class 3, they were instituted in year 1952 on 4th January. However, later in 1967, the names were renamed Ashok Chakra, Kirti Chakra, Shaurya Chakra from Class 1, Class 2 to Class 3. These gallantry awards are announced twice in a year, first on the occasion of Republic Day and then on the occasion of Independence Day. If we talk about the order of precedence of these awards, then it would be Paramveer Chakra, Ashok Chakra, Mahavir Chakra, Kirti Chakra, Veer Chakra and Shaurya Chakra. Now, since we were talking specifically about Shaurya Chakra, so Shaurya Chakra is the third in the order of precedence of Peacetime Gallantry Award. So it is a Peacetime Gallantry Award and it is awarded for gallantry acts otherwise than in the face of enemy. If you will have a look at the medal, then it is circular in shape and it is of bronze, 1 3/8 inches in diameter. बाकी इसकी जो डिटेल्स हैं, इसमें लोटस होता है, शौर्य चक्र पीछे लिखा रहता है इंग्लिश और हिंदी में, बीच में एक लोटस फ्लावर है. यू विल सी ग्रीन कलर रिबन्स, दे आर डिवाइडेड इनटू 4 इक्वल पार्ट्स. इन सबकी एक मीनिंग है और अगर कभी आपको दोबारा शौर्य चक्र मिलता है तो एक और बार ऐड होता है. सो वॉट एवर यू हैव सीन, इट हैज स्पेसिफिक मीनिंग. द कलर और द प्रेजेंटेशन, कैसे लिखा गया, कैसे प्रेजेंट किया गया. सो दिस इज अबाउट द गैलेंट्री अवार्ड. नाउ लेट्स हैव अ लुक एट द आंसर क्विकली. सो हियर इट इज ह्यूमन टू ह्यूमन ट्रांसमिशन पॉसिबल, ट्रू. इट लीड्स टू swelling in the brain, true. It is a priority disease as per WHO, that is also correct. And if we are talking about the correct statement, the answer is C, that is all three. Talking about the second question, the Mashio-Paro tribe, it was in news, तो कहाँ A, B, C, D, then it is Peruvian Amazon. जो Amazon rainforest है, पेरू वाले area में Peruvian Amazon, right? Talking about the third answer, Shaurya Chakra is Peacetime Gallantry Award, हमने देखा yes. Veer Chakra is Wartime Gallantry Award, yes. Veer, Mahavir, Paramveer. So the answer is C, right? So this is all about our Diya prelims today, and I am very sure that you guys are getting a different perspective and edge from the starting for the prelims 2025. And still, if you are struggling with the current affairs, then here we have launched our one-stop solution for prelims and mains current affairs, which already it's going on, and you will find the details in the description box about this course. So if you think you are struggling with the current affairs, how to extract current affairs from the newspaper or covering the newspaper and learning how to utilize it in the answers, so here we do it holistically. We cover the current affairs from prelims point of view in the quiz format जैसा हम अभी कर रहे हैं. From mains point of view, we cover the issues, we cover the case studies, example and ready data for you, and we teach it how to use it. So have a look. In the description box, we have given the details. You can go through the features, right? So take a lead and don't push it till the end. So do drop us a message if you want to get the free PDF of whatever we have discussed. आपको हम अपने Telegram handle पे provide करेंगे. Take care. See you all in the next video.